Hello students, today we are going to discuss a new topic from our maths textbook. The name of this topic is time. So what is time? The whole day that we have from morning when we get up to night till the time we sleep, the whole day we have with us, right students? And this whole day has been given some works, and all these works, they are done at a proper fixed time. So when do we get up? We get up in the early morning. Then what do? As the sun rises in the morning, early morning, we get up, then we take a bath, we have our breakfast, and we get ready for the school and we go to school, right? Then at the school we do our studies, and after the school closes we come back to our house. So after coming to the house in the afternoon, we have some food, we take some rest, then we complete our studies. That is the homework which is given to us at the school. Then in the evening we go out to play, and before the sun sets, that is before it becomes dark, we are back to our house. Then we get fresh, we play something at home, or maybe we watch some TV serials or cartoons. Then what do? Then your mommy or your mother, she prepares delicious food, you have the food, and at night you go to sleep. So each and everyone, most of you might be having such a routine. So from the morning, early morning when you get up till the night when you sleep, all your works, they have been given the time. In the morning we get up, we have breakfast, in the afternoon we have lunch, at night we have dinner, during the evening time we have some snacks, right? All the things which we do in our life, they are in a fixed routine, they are at a fixed time. So what are the times of the day? So a day is having a morning, midnight, then afternoon. A day is having morning, then midday, the time between the afternoon and the early morning, it is called as midday. Maybe from 10 o'clock to 12 o'clock, it is called as the midday. Then in the afternoon, then we have evening, and last is the night when we go to sleep. So this is the pattern of the day. It is never that first we have evening, then comes morning. It never happens like this. The day begins with a morning and ends with a night. So a day is divided into all these, that is morning, midday, afternoon, evening and night. So in your textbook exercise number 1, some pictures are given to you, and you have to match them with the activities that you do during the day and during the night. Also in question 2, you have been given some pictures, that is activities, and you have to match them which activities you do in the evening and which activities you do in the morning. Similarly, in exercise 2 also, various activities are given, and they are not in a sequence. They are not in the proper order as you do them from the morning till night. So you have to solve them, or you have to put the sequence. You have to put the numbers in a proper way, right from the morning what you do up to night. So exercise number 1 and exercise number 2, they are very much easy. You have to do it in your textbook itself. So students, this is exercise number 1 from your textbook. Here you can see, match the pictures with the time when they are done. So here in between you are given day and night, and 4 activities are given. Here one is sleeping, the boy is sleeping. Here 2 boys are playing. Then here you can see a boy is getting ready for his school, and here you can see that the children, they are watching TV, right? So we have to see when are these activities done, whether it is in the day or it is in the night. So this boy is sleeping. When do we sleep? We sleep at night. So we will match this picture with night. Then this boy is getting ready for the school. When do we get ready for the school? In the morning, that is during the daytime. So we will match day with this picture. Here you can see what is this boy doing? What are these boys doing? They are playing. Yes, playing, it is done during the daytime. In the evening, evening is a part of the day. So they are doing it in the day. So you will match it with day. The next is, the children are watching TV. When do we watch it? We do it during the night time, right? After our dinner, we watch TV for some time. So you have to match it with the night. Similarly, in question number 2, you can see match the pictures with the time when they are done. So celebration of birthday is shown here. Then this boy is moving to school. Here we can see the boy is brushing and here he is playing. So in the morning what we do? In the morning we brush our teeth and we go to school. So both these pictures will be matched with morning. And during the evening time we play and what we do? We celebrate our birthday. So these two pictures will match with evening, right? Similarly, here you can see exercise number 2. Number the activities in sequence. So here you can see various activities are shown. This bathing, then waking up, going to school, then having breakfast, brushing, then getting ready for the school, then he is going to the school. So we have to put the sequence. When we get up, what do we do? See here. This is the sequence. We get up in the morning, then we brush our teeth, then we take a bath, then we get ready for the school, we have our breakfast, we go to the bus stand to get the bus, and then finally we reach the school. So this is the sequence in which we do all these activities. You have to put the numbers in these circles which are given. So I have told you the sequence. You have to do it on your own.